John Adewale. Thank you for taking a moment to listen. Right now in Lagos, Nigeria, the Red Cross is doing extraordinary work, often in marginalized and low-income communities with limited or no internet access. We all know that connectivity is no longer a luxury. It powers emergency response, education, health coordination, and hope. This is why I am proud to be leading a pilot to deploy big box Wi-Fi units, portable, solar-powered internet and connectivity hubs that connect people and communities in minutes. It isn't just about the data. It's about integrity. It's about dignity. It's about a nurse uploading sensitive information in real time. It's about a child's education. It's about a first responder being able to share vital information where every second counts. I can't do this alone. There is a Red Cross branch in every state in Nigeria. Do you believe in equity, in impact, in solutions that scale? Then join me, support my pilot. Together, we can build more resilient, inclusive communities where people can reach their potential during technology adoption maturity and beyond. We will achieve this goal one connection at a time, one community at a time. Thank you.